Now on to the actual trail. We've got the rotor fixed, which I didn't want to have to be a problem going down a hill. So the rotor is messed up, but we got a new rotor from the company. Got the tire off, quite easy. It's weighted really well to do it like this. Probably doing it wrong, but you know. Still makes a noise. It might just need time to bleed in, or like, you know, to actually get set in place. And God, dude, this thing is just heavy enough at 215 pounds. Man, it's nice. It's easy to move. Yeah, it's more heavy than like some of my other bikes. But even then, they're like 140 to 160 pounds. I mean, it's not like it's a whole nother bike. And to be honest, it's how much I weigh, so I can't be too harmed about that, obviously. Oof. Yes. What a good opportunity. I wonder how bad. See, this is like submerge your bike type of shit. So we won't be doing that. But that's what I like about this 22 kilowatt, honestly. Last second throttle touch, and I'm not even hitting her hard, dude. She's just handling. With more speed, I would have launched through that. Yeah, that's my fuck up. Oh, it's fucking just maintaining. And this is me not even hitting the full power, dude. This is just, oh, it's so nice. My shoes are so full of water. Ah, but I thought this would be the best trail to test it on because it's not maintained. The shit ain't flat in very many places. But God, is it fun? Look at that. Look at those ruts. Like I'm saying, not maintained. We got some cool lime hills over there. And I know there are other bikes like the Solar Scooter. It's a scooter, Onyx RCR moped. Still fast. They're super sick and they're really creative, but still a moped. And I know you can register it in some places, but this bike can be registered anywhere in the United States. Of course, as long as you're of age and follow the legal process. But as we went over today, I ain't got that going on for me right now. Worried about the power of the bike. I'm very confident this bike can handle this. It's more so me, because that's just like a straight up fucking shot, dude. I didn't realize how fucking steep this was, dude. Damn, that might be something I need a lot more speed for. Yeah. Look me in the eyes and tell me that you're not seeing. Oh. Good God, dude. Okay, so I need more speed for that. That's just a fact. That's why this trail exists. Shit fire, boy. Brother. Oh, God. Forget you, tree. You made my ride harder. And the suspension is so nice. I do know there are some supposed seal leaks on this bike, which I'll be fixing before we go. and get it registered so there aren't any issues. Just eating them, bro. I'm not even standing up. The bike just performs. Like, I mean, there's no other way to really explain. Suspension, exceptional. And supposedly has blown seals. Still amazing. Rear suspension, great. I haven't hit anything hard enough at all to hurt my ass just yet. I'm getting bounced around, but that rear suspension's handling it really well. I altered nothing from what the previous guy had it. Kayak.
So I royally messed up the first hill climb. Obviously, that was my problem. Should have had more speed, more confidence. I really just didn't want to hurt myself and have to go to work the next day or not and try to explain that. We are going to go to a hill climb real quick. The one I test all my bikes on is straight up, uneven, and there's glass.
My first time on the trail with a bike this heavy. Did learn a few things. Now, I will tell you, I'm sure I could have submerged more of this bike in that puddle back there. I just didn't want to mess it up just yet. I do still have some videos I have to record with this. Now, in terms of handling the trail, it ate it. It ate it like a fat lady at a buffet. I mean, she ate it so much. We're being told to leave. You know, it's a problem. We're hurting their bottom dollar here. So this bike, for the price and the capability, is just insanity. There's a UTV coming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuck out of the way. I mean, damn, dude, this bike just handled everything so well. I don't like entering the road right here. It's right around a curve. Yeah, see what I'm saying, bro? I'm sure I would have hurt him, but they wouldn't have hurt me. My wife's gonna be home soon, so I got to do the run homes. Let's see how this bad girl likes the ride home after a tough little stint on the trail, brother. It's so nice. It's effortlessly too. That's the other thing. Like, there's not much effort in going this fast. Like, honestly, my mustache is sweaty. Gross. I don't show my face as often anymore, but I have a full I'm a hairy man. I have a full beard, brother. Why does it feel like my back tire is flat? Well, that road's just that poorly done is absolutely hilarious. It's just so capable!